Hi everyone, welcome once again to Kitchen Flavors. Today we are going to be making another easy and fast breakfast recipe. So first we start by removing the brown corners of our toast. We remove on all the four sides. Next we cut our toast into 4 pieces, square shapes. After we have our square shapes toast, we are going to fill this toast with some mayonnaise. Now we have 2 eggs. We beat the eggs. Add a pinch of salt to the egg and beat it well. Next, we are going to fill our toast with some mayonnaise. Now, after filling all our toast with mayonnaise, we are going to soak all the toast in the egg, then put it in the air fryer. So now we soak all the the corners, all the 4 sides. Do the same for all the toast. After we have sprayed a little bit of oil on an air fryer pan, then soak it very well. Do the same for all the pieces. So this is how it looks. Now we are going to set our air fryer on, then we bake it. We air fry it for on 160 degrees. This is what we have. It is ready. Look how crispy they look. It looks very, very crispy. join me as we do it together. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.